Symphonia in B-flat Concerto Copenhagen and Andrew Mann. I'm Kathy Fuller. This is the WCRB Spring Membership Drive. And just a reminder that when you give to WCRB, you're sharing this music with people that you love, your family, your friends, and all kinds of people around the globe. It doesn't really take much to make that difference either. Just a few dollars a month as a sustaining member. Sign up.
At this point, yes. I think it's because there's such little known still about these cases. All we know is this big number with a bunch of blank faces, with the exception of a couple yesterday. And the big number is 22 women have filed as accused of sexual assault or harassment in these lawsuits. And I guess are all of the lawsuits being handled by the same lawyer? If that's the case, then there could be a lot of piggybacking. There could be a lot of bandwagon jumpers here. I don't know. We'll see. But Ashley Solis is the first to really kind of come out and do a press conference on this, and she talked about surviving this assault and harassment from Deshaun Watson.
I am a survivor of assault and harassment. Deshaun Watson is my harasser. Deshaun Watson assaulted and harassed me on March 30th, 2020, in my own home, doing what I love most, massage therapy.
Okay, so cheerful. She seems sincere. I'm kind of surprised that Deshaun Watson went to her house for the massage. Are you? I would think he would ask them to come to his. Well, you're in the middle of right at the end, I guess, of 15 days to stop the spread before another 30 days to stop the spread when it happens. So it's that's right. Also, yeah, quite clearly a violation of what the NFL players were supposed to be doing at that point when it comes to COVID, I'm sure. Although maybe the arrangement wasn't fully put together at that point, so there was a gray area, right? But yeah, it's a lot of massage. Deshaun Watson gets a lot of massage. The man loves the massage. Yes, apparently. Yeah. I mean, who doesn't? Even by their telling, there's 18 massage therapists who come out and said, hey, he's actually a really nice guy and didn't do anything unprofessional. Right. That's just a lot of massage therapy. Yes, it is a considerable amount. A lot of different people. Well, if people are athletes are going to get more massages. It's an important part of their treatment, which is true, though it does seem like the word from inside the NFL is it's pretty rare that you want to rotate them like this. Like you're not going to have tons and tons of different massage therapists. You're going to basically have the one from the team, maybe one other. It seems like and that would be smart, by the way, especially if you're Deshaun Watson. The last thing you want to do is be getting naked with a bunch of people and getting touched in a closed room over and over again. For this type of thing could happen at any point. Just the threat of that happening should preclude these guys from doing that, right? You would want somebody you absolutely know and trust. Yep. And that's probably usually somebody with the team. And you always want a witness in there with you at the time because it's just too easy for something weird to happen or be accused of something happening. But Ashley said she's so upset now she can't any longer practice massage.
No longer practice the profession that I love most without shaking during sessions. My hands shake whenever I place them on a client and I have to cut the session short. You don't know how heartbreaking that is to me. I got into massage therapy to heal people.
do with whether she's telling the truth or not. I don't know. I wasn't in the room, obviously. I don't understand this tactic though from attorneys, right? Like, okay, you have a lawsuit filed. Then I think it's been now about a month. In that month, obviously and I am not saying anything wrong or bad about her or anything, but like she's obviously been coached through this. She's reading the entire statement word for word. You can tell by the phrasing of what she's saying. It's all